Hello, I am Neil Gorasia, ID number 24CH026. Today I give two presentation on digital electronics and space communication. So let we'll see. So first slide is uses of digital electronics in space communication. Our topic is error detection and correction. So in the space communication, data transmission is highly prone to error due to cosmic radiation, signal authentication, and interference. Digital electronics play a crucial role in error detection and correction to ensure reliable communication between Earth and spacecraft. So here raise a question: why is error detection and correction needed in space? So first, long distance transmission. Space signal travel millions of kilometers and get weak. Second, noise and interference. Space radiation and other celestial bodies cause data corruption. Third one is high cost of resending data. Retransmission signals from deep space is expensive and time consuming. Fourth one is autonomous system. Satellite and rovers need self-correcting capabilities since real-time human intervention is impossible. Okay, so let we'll see the challenges of space communication. There is three big challenge. First, vast distance. Second, cosmic interference, and third, atmospheric effects. So first, vast distance is a big challenge of space communication. Signal travels a billion of miles, becoming extremely weak. Voyager 1 signal is 20 billion times weaker than reaching Earth. Second is cosmic interference. Solar radiation, cosmic rays, and space weather corruption digital signals. Bit flips occur regularly. Atmosphere effect. Earth is ionosphere causes scintillation and signal fading. Ground station must compensate for this distortion. Now we'll see role of digital electronics in space communication. There are 5 points. Digital circuit process signal faster and more reliability than analog. Uh, Digital circuit means digital circuit reliable than analog. Second, use of logic gates, microcontroller, memory chips, and modulation circuits help in encoding and decoding message. Fourth one, storing commands, and fifth one, automatic correction of faulty signals. What is error detection and correction, EDC? So let us see. Error detection identifies if the data has been corrupted. Error correction fixes the corrupted bits automatically, essential in space where retransmitting is costly and delayed. Digital system use algorithm to add redundancy to message so error can be supported and fixed. Here we'll see some technique of error detection. So first is a parity check. This is a main technique of error detection. Adds a parity byte like 0 or 1 data to make a total ones even or odd. If the received parity doesn't match, an error is detected. There is a one limitation of this method. It can detect only odd number errors, not fixed them. Example given this. Second method is error detection, CRC and checksum method. There is a cyclic redundancy check. Applies a mathematical formula to create a checksum for data blocks. If checksum doesn't match on the receiver's end, there will be an error. Using deep space telemetry for detecting errors in long data string. Checksum method adds up all data bytes, then sends some with message. Receiver rechecks the sum to detect error. Okay, now we'll see error correction. Read Solomon code. There is a method of error correction. It corrects multiple bits error. Works in a block of data, powerful and used in image and audios transmission. Used by NASA and Voyager to send images from billion kilometer away. You know Voyager is far from Earth is like 20 billion kilometer. Still used in cities, QR code, DSL, and space mission. Now we'll see second method, Hamming code, which is invented by Richard Hamming. Single bit, this is single bit error correction. Adds extra parity bits at a power of 2. If an error occurs, it identifies the exact bit and flip it. Using space memory system to protect data. Uh, Now we'll see real world application. Voyager 1 and 2 use the read columns code method to send planetary images. Mars rovers, Curiosity Perseverance use turbo codes to communicate with NASA from Mars. James Webb Space Telescopes use LDPC codes to transmit high quality images from 1.5 million kilometers away. Future of Space Communication (EDC). AI-based error correction, machine learning can adapt to space condition and optimize correction. Quantum error correction may allow unbreakable communication and faster speed. Interplanetary internet. NASA and ISRO exploring internet like network for Mars and Moon. Now we'll see digital electronics hardware in space. Focus on actual electronic hardware use like microcontroller FGPA for custom logic, ASICs built for error checking, radiation hardener processor to avoid space interference. Example: NASA's RID 750 CPU used in Curiosity rover. Role of ISRO in space communication. Highlight India's contribution. First, ISRO's NAVIC satellite system. Second, Gyanyan mission and space telemetry tracking centers. Next, error correction in INSET and Chandrayaan project. Use of digital electronics in Indian telemetry tracking and commands. TTNC. Animation and flow diagram. like uh, Data generated, encoding with error correction. Example: Reed Solomon method, which is before see transmission through space. Error occurs, noise, radiation. Receiver detects plus correct using algorithm, and also clean data outputs. Now we'll see case study on Voyager mission, which is Reed Solomon codes method. So what happened? Voyager 1 and 2 were launched in 1977 and are now over 20 billion kilometers from Earth. The challenge: transmission, clear image and data over such a long distance cause signal degradation. What is the solution? Read Solomon codes were used to correct data errors before they reach Earth. Result: clear planetary image and Jupiter and Saturn were received successfully without needing to resend data. And conclusion: ensuring reliable space communication. 99.9% reliability. Modern errors correction achieves a near perfect communication. 10x future growth, potential improvement with quantum and AI technology. Summary: space communication faced many challenges. Digital electronics plus EDC techniques. Reliable, accurate data transmission crucial for success of current and future space mission. Some personal learning and reflection. What you and I learned: the importance of digital electronics in making space communication reliable. How error detection and correction ensure we receive accurate data from space. Realize that even a single bit can make a huge difference in mission success. Interest. This topic inspired me to explore more about space technology and electronics. I want to learn more about AI in space system and quantum communication. Future scope. I believe this knowledge can help design smart satellite, improve space mission, contribute to India's space advancement. Thank you. There is a one quote. Space exploration is the ultimate error correction challenge. So this is all about digital electronics in space communication. Thank you.